Are you sick of waking up to an alarm clock only to rush out the door and sit in traffic? Do you wish for financial independence where you make decisions and your earning potential is limitless? Well, today is your day. Today we're diving into the world of internet side hustles, and I'm talking about legitimate and tried ways on making money without falling for scammers or get rich quick schemes. Whether you want to supplement your income or create a full-time business, I've got the inside scope on the finest side hustles that you can start right now to break free from your 9-to-5 and take control of your financial destiny. So grab a notepad and a pen or create a new document because you're gonna want to take notes. Let's get started. Consider having a successful YouTube channel where you would not have to worry about camera angles, lighting, or even your personal appearance. Welcome to the world of faceless YouTube channels, a thriving trend that provides a unique blend of anonymity and revenue. This new channel type allows creators to contribute new material without ever exposing their faces, making it an excellent entry point for those who are camera shy, like high quality recorded equipment, or simply value their privacy. So how do these channels work? Generally, the content is voice-over narration with B-roll footage, animations, or even screen recordings. The topics can range from instructive videos, reviews to gaming, do-it-yourself projects, and listicles. Essentially, if you have a topic that you're passionate about, more than likely there's an audience waiting for you. But here's the kicker, the income potential is incredible. I've seen people in my network earning more than $10,000 a month using this strategy. The beauty of faceless YouTube channels is its minimal entry barriers. All you actually need is a captivating script, some B-roll film or animation software, and talent for fascinating storytelling. Add some strategic SEO and you're ready to monetize your channel while remaining a mystery behind the screen. A faceless channel could be your golden ticket for YouTube success without the spotlight. Logo designs. Designers, take note. If you're a visual wizard, there's an undiscovered treasure out there just waiting for you. Claim it. Simply go to Twitter, Instagram, or whatever site you want and type graphic design help into the search bar. What you will find is a colony of people who are more than eager to spend substantial money on a show-stopping logo or an eye-catching website banner. We're talking hundreds, if not thousands, of clients out there. Frosting on the cake is you don't have to break a sweat on the workload. Cutting-edge AI tools got your back, making the design process easier than ever. With a couple of clicks and you're done, and you have created a world-class masterpiece. Check out the link in the description for my go-to tools that will make your life much easier. But why is graphic design my top pick for quick and simple money? It is simple. It's like you're having your own 24-hour ATM handy. And let's be honest, your time to level up and make some extra income. But what if you don't like designing? So instead of splurging on a new pair of designer shoes, why not invest your money in this next great side hustle? Your future self will thank you. Listing cars online. Are you looking for a side hustle that rev your engines? Forget about auto flipping, forget about car flipping, or needing a lot of money just to get it going and get started. Here's the actual deal. You can get started with virtually no money. Yes, you heard that correctly. Zero. All what you need is a Facebook account with access to marketplace and a reliable internet connection. So what is your mission? Look for vehicle postings that have been sitting idle for 3 to 4 weeks. Then enter the seller's DMs and offer to expedite their sale. The best part, when the deal is done, you only ask for 6 to 10% in commission. Do the math. If you sell a $200,000 car, you have just made a cool $20,000 by simply clicking post on various internet platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. If you want to speed up the process even further, then spend some money on Facebook ads. The car is gone before you even know it, and you're counting your money. Just a quick tip, stay organized. We're halfway through this treasure mine of side hustles, and I've got even more gold nuggets for you. But before we go any further, if you find this information useful, stop the video and click the like button. Oh, and if you have not joined our community, click the subscribe button and set the notification bell on so you could stay up to date with all new tips. Okay, you guys are done? Let's go down to business and keep that cash counter rolling. Do you have a strong following? Then you're effectively sitting on an undiscovered treasure of revenue. In today's digital age, you could create a course on literally anything from baking without material course to how to find my kit in Walmart course. So why delay? Turn your knowledge into a course and watch that money roll in. You don't have a big fan base? No problem. Shift your focus to consulting. People will pay you generously if you're an expert in your field. I've charged up to $600 per hour for marketing guidance. So whether you're a math prodigy or a social media guru, one-to-one consulting could be your ticket for a consistent paycheck. Start honing your talents. Hold on to your hats because what I'm about to say might ruffle some feathers, but it is a game changer. As more individuals enter the digital realm, avoid forms. Avoid that begs for certain hands-on abilities. And yes, I'm referring to abilities that will make you the neighborhood hero. Can't seem to find a good handyman nowadays? Well, you're not alone. Finding one is like searching for a unicorn. And once you do find one, the price tag is insane. But here, there's talents like plumbing, painting, and carpentry is not some such knowledge. No, you can learn these trades faster than you can binge. Watch a Netflix series or a YouTube video, and the instant you do, you're just not another individual with a toolbox. You're a solution for a problem that a lot of people are pulling their hair out because of it. Imagine becoming the go-to person when someone's pipe bursts in the middle of the night, or a new homeowner that needs a new space transformed with a new splash of color. These are high demand and high paying abilities, and the market is virtually clamoring for dependable people to come in. So if you're prepared to put in the effort and study, you're not just opening up doors, but you're kicking them down. And let's be honest, your bank account will be chanting your praises. Bookkeeping. Are you organized and detail-oriented? Bookkeeping can be your hidden weapon to financial independence. Entrepreneurs are constantly in need for someone to manage their cash. You will have your schedule filled solid if you use services like Fiverr, Upwork, and industry-specific Facebook groups. What's more, the best part? You get to replenish your bank account by assisting others and keeping theirs in order. Remote closer. Are you ready to transform your living space into a gold mine? Consider a life where your phone is constantly vibrating with prospective deals, and your calendar is so full it could be a best-selling book. All of this is due to corporations spending thousands of dollars on ad campaigns looking for someone that could be you to close these transactions. As a remote closer, you're not just making ends meet, you're easily earning a whopping $10,000 without even leaving your house. Not sure where to begin? Not to worry, I've got your back with excellent material that would help you become a rockstar remote closer. The description below is gonna contain all of that information. Oh, I'll leave a comment below if you would like to see a video that gets into the nitty-gritty of sales strategies. I'm eager to hear what you want to see next. Let's sign that bank account, shall we? Alright guys, we just mapped out the ultimate treasure map to escape the 9-to-5 grind and plunging headfirst into the internet's most profitable side hustles. This collection has something for everyone, whether you're a digital rookie or a seasoned veteran. Do not let your 9-to-5 blind you. A world of financial freedom is a click away.